let's have fun. Let's go and die. It's 30th December. I was yours for the taking. Guess I needed a. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, I just wanted to shoot this intro right now because I know that for next week is going to get crazy for me and I might not have time to shoot the intro anymore. So I just decided to shoot it now. By the heading of the video, you already know what this is. Yeah, it's my birthday prep and my vacation prep. Basically, it's both my birthday and a vacation together. So anyways, I'm working with this travel company, 1408 or 908, and I can't remember. I will put it up, but yeah, we've planned some things together and I just want to organize my entire trip. I like to know the places I'm going to so that I will know the outfits I'm wearing to create content or take pictures. I just want to know basically and just put them together. So that's just what I'm going to do. Book appointments. I'm just getting my trip organized and getting like things I have to do next week, like make my hair, what they're making my hair and stuff. I'm just going to do all that, so let's get into it, guys. Home, but if I'm not mistaken, you were good on your own. And I know I was drunk enough. Didn't know it would mess me up, yeah. Now I'm truly awakened up. So you wanna talk again? So I finally made my hair. Travel prep mode activated because the first thing has been done. So I'm so happy that like I've taken this off my list to make my hair. So today I was supposed to make my nails. My appointment was by 10, but things happened and I couldn't make my appointment. I texted him and I asked him if I could. I texted him and I asked him if like we could do it tomorrow, and he said he was going to get back to me. So I'm waiting on him to get back to me. So my nail appointment tomorrow. I have like a full body wax appointment today for 2. It's currently 1:16. So from the last time we spoke, I told you guys that I have this travel agency that was helping me. 1408. I still did not confirm that name. 1908. By my friend Tian. She's such a lifesaver because she has planned everything for me to the T, you guys. Like Tian to the T, Tian. She has literally planned everything for me, like my hotel, like my transportation and whatnot. I'm actually not going by road or flying. I'm like taking a boat or a ferry, I don't know what you call it, because I actually want to experience that, 1. And 2, if you're going to go by road, it's really super stressful because of the checkpoints and all that and I wasn't going to be flying because the flights are stupid expensive. Like it makes no sense. Like see where I'm going to, so why am I flying there? But anyways, yeah, she has put together everything for me and she has like assured me, she has sent me like other people's pages that have traveled there in case like I'm like worried about any other thing. She made payments for my accommodation at Casa del Papa. Guys, I've been learning French with Duolingo. I don't think I'm saying it well, but she made payments for me at the resort. Because we are not planning to stay like in one hotel. Planning to stay in like 3 different hotels because we want to go to like different places, and we really do not want to like have to stay in one place and keep going to like places and coming back. So we just want to like go to different towns and like experience different towns here. So we're staying in like 3 different hotels, I think. So she has really put together everything for us and like I'm so excited. I really cannot wait. Like she has been doing everything, so you guys should check her out. 1908. Like we've had lots of meetings, like we talk every day because she's sending me places I can go to, places I can take pictures and stuff like that. Like she will be the plug for you. So if you're ever planning on going to Cotonou with her, going to Cotonou, Benin Republic, sorry. She is your plug. Please check her out. 1908. She has been a massive, like, I don't know, I was planning this by myself, but I don't know where I would have been if I didn't have this. So bro, you guys check her out if you ever want to go there, and you should, because it's beautiful. I'm not there yet, but I know it's beautiful, and when I go there, I'm sure you guys that it's beautiful. I actually went to YouTube and looked, like, I searched for apps you can plan your trips and stuff, but Notion popped up, like people using Notion, so I decided to try for myself, and honestly it has been a lifesaver, because like I've written everything on my Notion, like down to my packing list, like the clothes I'm wearing, the clothes I'm taking, what I have to pack. I've written it down on my Notion. I'm sure you guys can see it. Like, I'm writing down everything I need, so that when I'm actually packing, I will tick the things that I have written, number one. Also, when I get there, like things I want to do, content I want to shoot, places I want to go to, like I've put them all out, and it just like makes your trip more organized. Makes, like, before you go there, like when you're also there, it just makes everything organized basically. And honestly, it's the best. Yeah, it's like the best planning app that I've used. It's the only planning app I've used in a name, but it really helped me get organized. Like, I'm still not, because like I'm still doing like last minute things, but it really helped me to get like organized and stuff. So you guys should, if you're ever like going anywhere, you just ever need to plan like something like that, I think you should use like Notion app. It helps. I have been waiting for Shein to send my clothes, I think I'm pronouncing it right, Shein, to send my thing, to send my bikinis. Like, I was losing my mind. I ordered since like 18th of November, because I bought more bikinis on there, and I didn't want to rush to like buy much, so I just bought a couple of things because I wanted to see like how their sizing works and stuff. And I can tell you from what I've tried, like, please size down if you're like buying like swimsuits and stuff. Please size down, because I bought a medium, right? Okay, a large. I think a large is like an 8 and 10, and they're all big, like not big, but they're like loose at certain areas that I'm supposed to be snatched, which I have to fit. That's just the updates for our travel prep. Tomorrow I'm going, either today or tomorrow, I'll go shopping to like buy like toiletries I need. In my Notion app, I actually would like toiletries and things I needed, so I'm just going to go with that. And buy like toiletries I need, food. I won't say food, but like I like having like something to eat, so that I'm not totally dependent on the hotel food or like whatever the hotel is trying to give me. But I'm late for my waxing appointment, so I think I'm gonna go now. Let's have fun. Let's go and die. It's 30th December.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night.
I didn't know it was painful.
Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe and right away.
Hey guys, it is currently 3 a.m. Literally just woke up to pack my things and get ready. My flight is for 8:55 a.m. I couldn't pack yesterday or buy the stuff I wanted to get and whatnot, because I from nowhere had like a ulcer attack. I know I look a mess. I just woke up, guys. I had like an ulcer attack, and I was sick all day, and I didn't have the strength to do anything. I'm just waking up now so that I could pack, plan to leave for the airport by like 7 a.m. hopefully. The airport is like 40 minutes to 1 hour from my house. I'm still really weak, but we're going to turn up in this vacation. I don't even care. This sickness, I don't know where it came from. I'm happy it happened before I left and like not when I got there. But it honestly came from nowhere. Life of an ulcer patient, I know, right? Okay, let's get ready. Let's pack.
With my bedroom door locked, I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third, then the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances.
So I give out my clothes to 2 different tailors to sew because I wanted like specific things, specific lengths, specific da and da, blah blah blah, and both of them have flunked out right now. The first one, I was supposed to pick up clothes by on Sunday. I called her all through Sunday, she didn't pick. Then she sent me a message that I should come and pick it up on Monday. Then on Monday, I sent someone to pick it up from her. She's in Abuja. I sent someone to pick it up from her, and she called me by like 4 p.m. on Sunday while I was sick, and she goes, "Oh, it's the red dress and black dress you're sewing, right?" And I was so confused because I gave you these things like over a week ago, and you're just asking me. So that's like already cancelled. I already know like there's no way I'm getting that. So I just brushed it off. I'm like, I'm not going to pay attention to you. Then my main 4 outfits that I was in love with, oh gosh, my main 4 outfits that I was in love with, I gave like a Lagos Instagram tailor to make it for me. I bought the materials already because I was really particular on what I wanted. So I bought the materials in Abuja. My friend that was going to Lagos, I gave it to him. Then we sent like a dispatch rider to send it to her, and like it was a lot of stress to get those materials to her. And she just texted me by 4:14 a.m. I'm sure she thought I was sleeping and like I was just going to wake up to it, but she texted me by 4:14 a.m. to say that it won't be ready, that I won't be able to get any of the dresses and whatnot because she has COVID. I am already thinking of a plan B, I promise you. And I think Peaport is going to be my plan B. I think once I land in Lagos, I'm just going to go to Peaport and just go and buy stuff. If I had known, I would have also gone to Miss K today, but I think I'll just go to Peaport because Peaport is in Lekki. So when my friend picks me up, I'll just go to Peaport and just pick like a bunch of, I'll just pick anything, man. Like right now, I'm just going to enjoy this trip because I'm exhausted. Like, what's all this? It's okay. It's really okay.
first and the second and the third, then the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy.
You guys, I am still in Lagos airport. They left my tripod in Abuja, and me and Lekon, we've been waiting in the car for like, it's 2 o'clock, and I landed by like 10 something. It's 2 p.m. now. I landed by like 10 something, so just do the math, do it. And like I said earlier, my vendor cancelled on my clothes, and I was supposed to get clothes from people. So right now I don't even know if that's going to be possible. See, this holiday I'm just going to go and chill. I'm not even doing anything anymore. I'm just going to go and sleep all day, because it looks like everything I planned just must then I figured that I forgot other things at home, so I'm stressed out, but silly baby girl.
You could be one of the things I